Morning! Good, very early morning. It's about 6:30 and I'm at Dublin Airport. I'm speaking really loudly because there's loads of people around me. And Shauna's telling me to stay away from her because I'm being embarrassing talking to the camera, apparently. I just got some super duper expensive vitamin water and crisps in W.H. Smith over there. It's ridiculous how expensive airport food is. Just waiting at the gate for our plane, and I think I'm really embarrassing the girls. So, ow! And Amy just hit me with a rolled up newspaper to get me to shut up. So maybe I finally should, and I am getting some looks. So. Finally boarding! I'm with Clara. Amy and Shauna have already boarded. They're sitting at the front of the plane, or at the back of the plane, but we're at the front. I'm so tired. I'm gonna wait for like about 25 hours at this stage, and I'm just ready to pass out about right now. I cannot wait to get some sleep tonight. I'm gonna get a bit of the Berlin Wall so I can own a piece of history and all of that, but I don't know what piece to get. I want to get a colourful piece, but I don't know which one. I'd like to get one that had like lots of pink and kind of lime on it, but there aren't any. There's that one I kind of like. Okay, what one should I get? I think either one of these two. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, how much is it? $8.95. Yeah, that's quite a lot. And it's the cheapest one. Oh well. Day 2 here in Berlin, and I just got my picture taken at Charlie checkpoint there, and I just went in to buy a piece of the Berlin Wall. I went up and I paid for it, and I forgot to take my piece of the wall with me. I got it back, don't worry, but yeah, that wasn't smart. Clara's just in here getting hers now. I'm waiting on her. She's there paying. I think we're gonna go get a drink. I'm gonna go find Amy and Shauna and see where they're gone. Got it? The most annoying thing about being here, you're in frame, and then she runs off when she's in frame. I think the most annoying thing about being here is the language barrier, because I speak about 2 or 3 phrases in German. I can say Auf Wiedersehen.
What does that mean?
Goodbye. You know Auf Wiedersehen, Pet, the TV show?
Nope.
Nope. I don't watch the show. My family loves that show, but I don't really like it. What else can I say? I can say Guten Tag.
Danke.
Danke, thank you. I think that's about it. About 3 phrases.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen, good morning. Okay, I've got about 4 phrases German down. And I don't think I'm going to know much more by the time I leave here. Because I am not one for picking up languages at all. I'm at the Charlie checkpoint box. The black box. I'm not quite sure where the girls are. They tend to scarf her whenever I vlog in public because they get embarrassed. But it's pretty cool in here. It's just kind of like walls, the history. Just explaining about the history of the wall and everything. It's pretty cool. I'm in the Reichstag though. I'm taking this tour. Little pack and earpiece, guiding me around the dome. Oh, I'm not really sure though what exactly I'm meant to be looking at, as opposed to, or to go along with what they're telling me in my ear. because I'm not really. They kind of explain the critical things that you're supposed to be looking at while they talk to you, but they don't give you a very good description. So I'm kind of like, so they weren't supposed to stop. Oh well. Lying down at the end of the tour of the Reichstag Dome. They call it the Reichstag Dome, or does it have another name? No, the dome that we're in.
Yeah, the Reichstag. It's part of the Reichstag.
I know that, but is it called the Reichstag Dome? Or does it have a name in German that's not dome?
The Reichstag is German.
But the dome, the word dome.
I don't know. I'm not German.
You might have known. You did that. I booked this for us.
Yeah, I said dome.
We're all lying down on this bench at the end of the tour. I'm not really sure why, but everybody is, so it's comfortable. So I thought I'd do it too. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be able to see out this big.
There's no window.
Is this recording? Oh, it is. Yeah. Of this ceiling here. But you can't see out of it. It's covered. Covered. So you can't, it's not covered, but it's like frosted glass. So you can't see out of it.
It's a window. Did they just see a bird go past?
It is a window, but the glass is frosted.
No, it's like the ears are done.
That's the actual sky.
Yes, Rebecca.
Really? So what? If it rains, the rainwater will come in.
They probably have like a cover for it. This is what we're saying.
Oh my.
On the tour.
Yeah, but I thought it meant that there were like gaps around the side, like around the side of the. Oh my gosh! I didn't know that. Well, you learn something new every
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Although I did just hear it a few minutes ago on the recording. And I've still got my earpiece in. I feel like I should be in Mission Impossible or something. What? Is it Mission Impossible? It is, yeah.
See?
Oh my gosh! Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it the sky? I don't.
It is a plane.
It is a plane. You can't see any of this in the camera at all.
Yeah.
Huh?
The great injustice.
I seriously feel like I'm in Mission Impossible though. That's Tom Cruise, right? I've never seen Mission Impossible. My earpieces make me feel like I should be in them. I don't know who's in frame here at all.
My beautiful self.
Actually, you probably are in frame, but the rest of us probably aren't.
Yeah, so Amy's just you. We've lost Clara as well.
Oh yeah, she's here somewhere, but we don't know where.
She has my camera taught.
Dun, 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 dun. Did you just take a picture of my... Yeah, I kind of want to fall asleep.
No. You start making me go all the way out to the hotel to get money to come over and back in, so no, you're not going to sleep.
You want money!
You're the one I know. I didn't realise you were doing it.
You should have brought it with you. It's pretty late now. I think it's about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I'm on my way back to the hotel. I just had something to eat. It's kind of cold out. It's pretty nice night, but it's kind of cold. So I can't wait to get back there and like go to bed. I'm tired. I'm still tired from yesterday where I didn't sleep at all. But yeah, I'm gonna go back. And you know what's really weird about Berlin, or weird compared to Ireland? There's there's cyclists. Okay, there's cyclists in Ireland, obviously. But there's so many here, like everyone seems to cycle. And I always walk in the cycle lanes, accidentally of course, because there's no clear marking as to where the cycle lanes start and the pavements end. But, run over. Oh, another thing, there's like none of the cyclists wear helmets, like at all. It must be like, I think it's law in Ireland that you wear a helmet if you cycle, on roads anyway. But there's nothing like that here, I'm presuming, because nobody wears helmets. But the guy who used to go past me there, he wasn't wearing one. What's the song that the baboon sings in The Lion King?
Which one? Lion King 1 or 2? Because he sings 2. Circle of Life.
Lion King. No, is that? Oh, I nearly dropped it. Yeah,
Maybe Candy's the second one. Movie. Second movie.
Squash bananas.
So black.
Something like that. Yeah, something about squash
Yeah, but the
bananas.
second one he has his own proper song.
He does? I didn't know that. What was your proper song in the second one? I can't remember it.
Candy.
Hmm?
Candy.
Oh, in you candy. Oh yeah, it's like in love, in candy. It goes like that, isn't it? I love that movie.
You're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
I thought you were vlogging the monkey.
I was, and then the monkeys didn't move. It's day 4 of our trip here in Berlin, and we are at the Olympic Stadium.
Camera's right there.
Huh?
Shauna thought I tossed my camera under. No, it's you hit it with your bag.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so much fun over there. It'd be like me dropping it into the foil. We're at the Olympic Stadium. It's pretty cool here. I wish we could go and run on the track, but we're not allowed, unfortunately. But that would be really, really cool. I'm pretty sure if we try to, though, we get kicked out. Would we get arrested, do you reckon, if we ran on the track?
Yeah.
We get arrested by arrested here,
Well, how do
obviously.
you get onto it?
I don't think
Oh,
we
you
do.
go over there, look, and then they have a little yoke going up there.
But we can't get out there, I don't think.
No.
I wish we could run the track anyway. Look at these fancy schmancy pants listening devices that we have. I know I dropped my map. They're really cool. They're kind of expensive.
Oh god, take it again, that's awful.
No, I dropped my map.
We have one member of our team up there, not bothered to come down.
Yeah, Clara is up there. You see her in the grey hoodie. Wave! I'm vlogging. Okay, she's not gonna wait. She doesn't want to be on camera. Oh my gosh, it's beeping. What did I do?
No, I think that was mine.
No, it was mine. Oh no, I just turned the volume down a bit. That's fine. I think we're gonna go shopping later on today, which should be fun. After we're done here. What do we need to find?
Makeup and mugs.
Oh yeah, mugs. It's time to find mugs and clothes. Yeah, I want to get maybe a Berlin kind of souvenir mug. I don't know. See if I can find one. Okay, I've got currywurst, which is apparently a big kind of a thing that they eat in Berlin or in Germany. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's like curry and sausage and ketchup. I don't know, we'll see what it's like. No, you obviously love it. I love it so much. No, it's not for me at all. It's it's hot dog with ketchup and curry powder and chips on the side. The chips are nice. Chips are nice. But I don't think I'll be ordering this again. Hey guys, I thought I would give this vlog a bit of an ending, seeing as I left it kind of a little up in arms the other day when I finished vlogging. But I am back home in Ireland now, and oh, I was going to say, I totally forget what I was going to say. Come to me, come to me, come to me. No, I've completely blanked. I don't know what I was going to say at all. But I'm back in Ireland, and I'm tired. I am so tired. I cannot wait to just crash. I feel like I could sleep for a week. I probably couldn't, but right now that's what I feel like I could do. Hopefully I won't. I want to be up by about 9 tomorrow morning, so I better go to bed now if I want to get about 7 or 8 hours sleep, like I probably should. Yeah, I had a great time in Berlin, but I'm kind of glad to be back, you know, miss my own bed and all that kind of stuff. I've got to... forgotten again. I'm such a scatterbrain. I think it might be because I'm tired a bit. Well, I'm a scatterbrain anyway, but I mean my tiredness adds to it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed, and I want to say thank you to you all for watching this vlog. If you made it this far, I'm not sure yet if it's going to be one long vlog of the entire trip plus this outro that I'm filming right now, or if I'll split it up into 2 vlogs, or what I'm going to do yet. Who knows? You guys will know because you'll have watched it, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to say good night, or good morning, or good evening, or afternoon, whatever time of day it is when you're watching this vlog. But for me, it's a good night. Have a good night, everyone. Have a good life, everyone. And I will see you in the next vlog.